Remember, a semiotic sign is a visual hint to nudge the audience from mere noticing actual engagement. This invokes phenomenologically subconscious decisions to engage more deeply with our design or illustration. Ultimately, any visually communicated meaning is mediated by our aesthetic choices and visual language. Semiosis just helps us to make better informed decisions at a semiotic level. The more semiotic hints the audience responds to moves our ability to successfully visually communicate towards our intended objective. Mediation of meaning is high on Peirce's agenda for semiosis. Through centering the audience when crafting the visual language, we can tune those visual hints to what the audience will respond to. A subtle choice of colour here, a shape that resembles a familiar thing they know there. Iconically, we facilitate that mediation of meaning.